Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, life has been lifing, but today we're gonna play a game called Name That Hoya. Why? Because Hoyas are some of the most stunning plants that you can add to your collection. They're easy to care for. Comment in the comment section what your score was, any tips and tricks you have for caring for your Hoyas to make them bloom. And also, if I didn't identify anything correctly, let me know. Some of these, I can't remember what they are. Let's get into it. This Hoya has long green leaves splashed with silver flecks, almost like dusted with glitter. So, by looking at it, can you identify it? If you said Hoya Pubicalyx, you are correct. This Hoya is a little cutie. Get ready to name her. She's a hybrid between Hoya Callistophylla and Hoya serpens. I hear that when she flowers, the blooms are white and super fragrant. I don't know yet. To be seen. However, she's called Hoya Mathilde. Can you name this Hoya? This Hoya is a Walmart Super Special Hoya from the Proven Winners collection. I'm not even going to try to pronounce this name, but if you know the name, please comment down below. They call it a teacup. She's a star. She's a showstopper. I don't know which one she is. You guys will definitely have to name her. I don't know if it's the princess or the queen, but what I do know is those leaves be coming out white, sometimes pink. You look at these good, strong veins. Look like somebody painted them on. It's really, really eye-catching. But what I want you to do is name this Hoya because I do not want to get it confused with anything else to have its proper title. I have no idea how I forgot this Hoya right here, y'all. Please name this Hoya. This Hoya is a little bougie. She's a little pricey. When I first got her, she only had like 2 leaves. So the name of this Hoya is, and I know, it's Hoya Wilbur Graves. I hope you enjoyed that voiceover. Be sure to put your score in the comment section. Let me know how many you got right and which one was your favorite. Like, comment, and subscribe. The affirmation for today is love yourself. Be blessed. Toodles.